Our universe is a vast and ever-changing canvas, a masterpiece painted with the brushstrokes of time and space. Galaxies like celestial dancers waltz across the cosmos, each one a unique performer in this grand ballet of the universe. They twirl and spin, locked in a delicate gravitational embrace, their movements choreographed by the invisible forces of nature. Sometimes their paths intersect, leading to a cosmic spectacle of unimaginable scale, where stars and planets are thrown into a chaotic dance. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, Andromeda, a journey that will take billions of years. This isn't a story for the faint of heart, it's a tale of cosmic drama filled with tension and anticipation. It's a tale of two galaxies destined to become one, merging in a spectacular display of cosmic unity. But don't worry, we have plenty of time to prepare for this grand cosmic event. The universe moves at its own pace, and we are but spectators in this epic dance. The Milky Way, a barred spiral galaxy, houses our solar system. It is our cosmic home, a vast collection of stars, planets, and other celestial objects bound together by gravity. It contains billions of stars, swirling clouds of gas and dust, and a supermassive black hole at its center. This black hole, known as Sagittarius A*, is millions of times more massive than our Sun. Look up at the night sky, and you'll see the Milky Way stretching across like a river of light. This band of light is actually the combined glow of countless stars that are too faint to be seen individually. Andromeda, also a spiral galaxy, is even larger than the Milky Way, boasting 1 trillion stars. It is our galactic neighbor, and its vast spiral arms are filled with stars, planets, and nebulae. It's the closest major galaxy to us, a mere 2.5 million light-years away. Despite this immense distance, Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way, set to merge in about 4.5 billion years. To the naked eye, Andromeda appears as a faint smudge of light, but telescopes reveal its true majestic spiral structure. This galaxy, with its bright core and sweeping arms, is a stunning sight through a telescope, offering a glimpse into the vastness of the universe. The Milky Way and Andromeda are caught in a gravitational dance. Gravity acts like an invisible thread, pulling these massive galaxies closer and closer. As they approach each other, their gravitational forces will begin to distort their shapes. Imagine two dancers, their arms outstretched, pulling and tugging at each other as they twirl. Similarly, the galaxies will stretch and deform, creating long streams of stars and gas known as tidal tails. Section 4. Fireworks in the cosmos, the inevitable collision. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide, but this won't be a catastrophic crash like you might imagine. Instead, it will be more like a cosmic merger, a slow and drawn-out process. The galaxies will pass through each other, their stars and gas clouds interacting. This interaction will trigger intense bursts of star formation, lighting up the cosmos with dazzling stellar nurseries. Section 5. Earth's front row seat, a dazzling new sky. What does this cosmic collision mean for Earth? Don't worry, Earth is unlikely to be directly hit by any stars during the merger. Space is vast, and the distances between stars are immense. However, the night sky will undergo a dramatic transformation. The Milky Way's familiar band of light will be distorted and eventually merge with Andromeda's light. The resulting spectacle will be a breathtaking display of celestial fireworks, a sight unlike anything humans have ever witnessed. Section 6. Milkdromeda, a new galactic chapter. After billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will complete their merger. The two spiral galaxies will coalesce into a single giant elliptical galaxy. Astronomers have dubbed this future galaxy Milkdromeda. Milkdromeda will be a cosmic behemoth home to trillions of stars and a supermassive black hole at its core. This merger marks a new chapter in the life cycle of galaxies, a testament to the ever-evolving nature of our universe. Section 7. The grand scheme of things, a universe in motion. Our universe is a vast and dynamic entity, constantly in motion and full of surprises. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is a stark reminder that our universe is not static. This monumental event, set to occur in about 4.5 billion years, will reshape the night sky as we know it. It's a dynamic and ever-changing place where galaxies are born, evolve, and interact in spectacular fashion. These interactions can lead to the formation of new stars and even new galaxies, showcasing the creative and destructive forces at play. This cosmic event, while billions of years in the future, provides us with a glimpse into the grand scheme of things. It reminds us that the universe is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and changing. It allows us to contemplate our place in the cosmos and appreciate the awe-inspiring forces that shape our universe. The vastness of space and the complexity of these interactions are a humbling reminder of our smallness in the grand cosmic arena. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we can marvel at the beauty and wonder of these galactic interactions, events that are both violent and beautiful. Each collision and merger tells a story of cosmic evolution. These events remind us of the vastness and mystery of our universe. They inspire us to keep looking up, to keep exploring, and to keep seeking answers to the questions that have fascinated humanity for millennia.